It's wise to stay alert for signs that your garage door springs may be past their prime. Is your garage door suddenly heavy and uncooperative? If it feels as though it's gained weight, or it's taking a Herculean effort to shift it, then there's a good chance your springs are crying out for help. Is your garage door making an unceremonious exit halfway up or abruptly slamming shut? That's another classic sign. Also, keep an eye out for a garage door that just won't sit straight, or that's crooked or lopsided in its frame. A louder than usual operation noise is a definite red flag too. And if you're brave enough to take a peek at the springs themselves, gaps or elongation in the spring coils are clear indications that your springs are singing their swan song. Stay vigilant for these signs, and you'll be well on your way to a safer, smoother garage door operation. And don't forget, routine maintenance is the key. Call us at Affordable Garage Door and Opener Repair. We're always here to help.